Yeah, I'd tell everybody starting out that ERP Suites is a fantastic environment to come and learn. And some of the reasons for that is we're super flexible, right?
We have a lot of different teams, so a lot of different ways that you can go if you start out as a co-op. You know, you can look into doing something, maybe the managed services side, and if maybe that's not the route for you, you can go into the networking side.
We've got 3 products now, as opposed we only had 1 before. So that's super cool. We're working on groundbreaking technology right now. So we definitely are always kind of on the bleeding edge, looking for the next best thing and how we can help ourselves here since we're such a small team.
Somebody should consider working at ERP Suites because there is a ton of opportunity here. We're always evolving and growing, especially in the areas of development from what I can see. There's tons of opportunities to work with cutting edge technologies and to kind of jump in and really make a difference right off the bat.
Unlike some other large organizations I've worked for, I actually get a chance to meet the customers that we work with. And some of them I'm on an extremely personal basis with now. On a first name basis, we hug each other when we see each other. And that's just something that I never got at, a large organization with thousands of employees or anything. And what's great about that is that you really get to hear their story and kind of understand how what we do here affects them in Utah or in Indiana or in Canada even for that matter. So it's really great just to be in a small business that has such a big impact on their customers.
You want to be sure to build strong relationships, and that's throughout the company. So if someone comes in on the help desk and they're not sure about something, it's not a mean transaction ever. I want them to know how to explain something so that they feel comfortable, and then hey, they might ask me about CNC and they may be interested in, and to be able to help them would be a cool thing.
I feel like I like to try to help people feel comfortable in coming into those kind of positions because that's how I was treated when I was a co-op. So I feel like always having somebody to help kind of support and push people to strive and be, their best selves in their career. I mean, that's kind of really helpful in what I want to do for other people.
Eric's been a huge help for me. He's kind of my mentor, and he's been kind of in the software field for a long time. He gives me a lot of flexibility to do what I want to do, but when I have questions or I need help on how to engineer something, he's always there to bounce ideas off of. He's really open to ask questions too, and I never feel afraid to do something wrong or to make a mistake because he's always there to kind of help me and guide me in the right direction.
We've added a bunch of new people and everyone's fit in very well, and that's a big thing. I know that Mike Mormon preaches is the family culture, and that was a big appeal to me personally, and then I see it in action here every day.
We chat during the day, we laugh, we have fun, and then the job is just really kind of flexible too.
I mean, for one, I can't shut up about this place, even when I'm not here. I think it's just a great place to be with great people. There's a lot of people that they all have the same common goal, and that's making each other successful.
The biggest thing for me is just the culture here. We work really hard and we do a lot of good work, but there's ample opportunity to have fun while we're doing it. And I think anywhere you go, there's really going to be an idea pushed from management that you're a family. But I really feel at ERP Suites, that's one of the few places where that's genuinely true.